We had water damage. It was in the summer at night, and I heard a really strange noise. The tank behind the toilet with the clean water was spraying all over the floor of the bathroom, out into the hall, into the dining room. And then we went to the basement to get a bucket and found out that the basement was flooded with about 3 inches of water. We had the ServPro guys in to do the kind of demolition of the old floors and take out their water and all that. But when they're done, RebuildEx are the ones you should call.
Chris is in charge. He recommended some things, what we put around the fireplace, the color of the slate, and it turned out so wonderful. And he also recommended the white oak, which we got, and it's just what we wanted, and it was beautiful. Everything he recommended was just perfect. He just seemed to really know what he was doing, and we really ended up trusting him. And everybody they sent in here was very respectful and good work, professional work. So we are totally pleased. They cleaned up everything. I mean, to the T.
It was pretty impressive, actually, what a good job RebuildEx did.
We told Chris, where did you get all these people? They're all so good.
Those guys were very talented. Everybody from RebuildEx was really polite, efficient, which I would say is excellent.